Alright, so today we are going to be making a foldable in the centers. And the foldable is going to look like this with 3 flaps that we're going to be able to lift up. And this is going to be for systems of equations. This step should not take you very long, and I'll have an activity for you to do when you're done, and there'll be a video that goes with that as well. So you're going to need to get that out of Google Classroom. With this foldable, you are going to need 2 pieces of paper. And we are going to set the paper about a half a pinky width, inch or so, maybe a little bit more than an inch. And the way you do that is you're going to take your 2 pieces of paper, you're going to line them up on top of each other like this, and then the top piece of paper you're going to slide up until you have the desired width. So we are only using 2 pieces of paper, so there's only going to be 4 different tabs and 3 flaps. So I like about an inch worth of space is good to get the desired amount that we want. So I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller. That should be about right. Yeah, okay. So once you've done that part, you're going to hold the paper down and then pull the top piece of paper down to create another flap. And again, you want about that same amount of space. Then you're going to take the paper and push your fingers up and crease it. And once you've got it creased, oh, mine didn't line up just right. I'm kind of a perfectionist sometimes when it comes to these things. I want them to look just right. Alright, so if you look, I've got 2 flaps down here. So then what I do is this top piece, I'm just going to fold it right over the space that's left, and it lines up just about right. So super simple. And then you are going to write, sorry, it's kind of going to be sideways. So you're going to write solutions right here. You don't want to write it too big because we're using this space for notes. And then I would staple it right off to the left and the right. Don't know where my little stapler is, so I'm not stapling mine right now. I'll staple it when I get back to school. Okay, and then this first flap, so you've got solutions. This is the first one, and then the second flap down, you're going to write substitution. Just like so. And then on the next flap, you're going to write elimination. And on the last flap, you're going to write graphing. And you're not going to fill this in. The main goal is that we all get them made. And once they're made, you're going to take it, flip it over, put your name on the back, and put your hour. I'm going to make this one for 4th hour. And this will be the one that I fill in as we take notes, 4th hour. So I've made one for every hour so that I have one for myself. So once it's done, I want you to take it, put it in the turn-in bin, and I'm going to hold on to them until we fill them out. That way you guys don't lose them. And then you can go back into Google Classroom and play the next video I have for you and complete the worksheet. Thank you. Nice job.